Welcome, I'm Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. Does making your crush jealous work? Yes. Making someone jealous and awakening that competitive nature within them. Some have it more pronounced, others have it less, but it is within each and every one of us. And if you attract them in this way, it brings a certain effect. I'm going to talk about when you can and can't do this and the effect that it brings. And what the other thing that you could do that would be so much more powerful and bring something so much more lasting in your life. If your aim is to just attract someone and for this very instant, to make them notice you, to make them feel that they have to have you. They have to be better than him or her and wonder what it is that the other person has that they don't have. Why are you paying so much attention to someone else? Why is it that they are winning you over and not them? When it is that someone isn't paying so much attention to you, your crush is focusing on something, on someone else, and you think to yourself, I'm going to make him jealous. I'm going to make her feel that she's not enough right now and that someone else has something that they don't. And you awaken the jealous part within them. Some people don't really have jealousy within them. Others can get jealous very, very easily. So depending on the character of your crush, you can bring them to feeling that they're losing their mind and that they have to find a way to attract you, that they can't focus on anything else and you need to be won over. And this can be achieved just by making them jealous. But these are mind games. And when you play mind games, it is with the energy of the mind, which means that it's something that is not of a deep nature. It does not have energy that is powerful, that is life-changing. It is very, very surface energy, which means that it needs to be repeated again and again and again. So while it is true that, yes, you can attract your crush by making them jealous, it's going to be something that you're going to have to work at. And you're going to have to find different types of mind games that you will constantly play in order to keep attracting them, in order to keep them on their toes and constantly be drawing their attention to you. Is this exhausting? Yes. Is it high energy? Definitely not. Is it love, true love, life-changing love? Is it going to bring you happiness? No. You may feel excited and exhilarated at the time because you do manage to attract them, but it's not the type of attraction that lasts. It's not the type of attraction that moves you into a loving, beautiful relationship. Yes, it can go on for years and years, but if you would ask my opinion, it leads more into toxic relationships because it has to do with control. You are not bringing them into the best that they are. You're making them feel that they're not enough and that they have to find ways to please you, to be better, and not be better in bringing out their best. It's this constant and exhausting effort that comes forward. Let's try and see it from someone's point of view who's being made to feel jealous. If you were in their shoes, imagine that someone that you could potentially move into a relationship with is attracting you by making you jealous of someone else, someone that you are not. And your focus is going on, what do they have that I don't? Why am I not enough? Why is she not paying attention to me? Is this energy that you're feeling, that moment, making you feel inspired and powerful? Or is it making you feel constricted and stuck? When you feel this expansive energy, this freedom of motion, this creativity, then you're inspired. Then you do find the best within you and move that forward. But when someone is controlling you with mind games, that's disempowering. It makes you feel trapped. It makes you feel stuck. It makes you feel that you're just not enough. This is not any form of love. This is something completely different. Putting yourself in the other person's shoes, in your crush's shoes. This is someone that you have a crush on. This is someone you want to attract. This is someone that you want to experience beautiful things with. If you put yourself in their shoes and look at you through their eyes, what is it that you want them to see? Someone that they find beautiful things in, someone that inspires them to be better, to find the best within them, or someone that's playing games with them, someone that they can never quite grasp, someone that they can never quite reach. If you see it through their eyes and see you through their eyes, it will be so much easier for you to bring forward the best in you, to see them with the best in you, with love, with happiness, with excitement, and allow them to be free. Allow them to choose you through you being you, and not choose you because their mind is telling them that they're not enough, telling them that they need to see something, do something, achieve something, be something that perhaps they're not even, that they're not. You having a crush on someone means that you see something within them that attracts you, that excites you, that inspires you. Focus on that. See how you can bring that forward in them and attract them through you admiring them for what they are, for who they are, for all they are. When you do this, it does lead into something that has a future, that can move into something that grows, that expands, and that makes you feel inspired and help you grow within you, expand within you, and feel excited and happy. You're not wasting your time and exerting your energy in trying to control someone. You're spending and putting your energy into what is the best in you, into your inspiration, into creating beautiful things, into discovering all that you are within you and standing in that happiness, standing in that power. You have the choice. Both are possible. What do you choose? And know that you can make that choice any moment and every moment. If you feel yourself feeling that you need to make someone jealous to attract them, to attract their attention, move out of that and find more inspirational ways, more powerful ways, more creative ways that you can attract their love, attract their attention. I know you have it in you. I believe in you. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also remember to like. Also, this video will also help you feel so much more inspired. Check it out.